everyone, my name is Kamila. Welcome to my channel. The Halloween is on the next week, and I thought that in this video I will share with you my family pumpkin pie recipe that we're going to cook for this Halloween. So here's what we will need for our pumpkin pie. We will need pumpkin, then 3 eggs, flour, baking powder, cinnamon, sunflower oil, walnuts, raisin, and 2 balls. We also need some sugar and salt. I will insert all the ingredients right now. So first things first, we need to peel the pumpkin, cut it into pieces, and boil it. And while I'm doing that, I thought that I would share with you movies that I'm going to watch on this Halloween. Some of them I've seen before, but some of them are really like old ones, but I've never watched it. So one of the movies is Hocus Pocus. I think a lot of you know that movie and watched it before, but I don't know why, but I've never seen it before. You know, peeling pumpkin is really hard. Harder than I thought it would be. And also I want to watch the Baby Ghost, like not watch but rewatch. It's the horror slash detective movie with Nicolas Cage. It's the one where his son got missing on the Halloween, and he's trying to find him, and a lot of supernatural stuff gets on the way. Another one is Harry Potter, the second part, Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets, because it's happening on the Halloween, of course. Then I want to watch The Addams Family, the old one, the 1991 version. And last one I think would be the Tower of Terror. I have seen this movie when I was a kid and I really loved it. I really liked it. It's about the ghosts that got stuck in the hotel and they cannot pass like the 13th floor because there's some kind of a curse, and it's really interesting, at least as I remember it. And if you like any of these movies, let me know and write in the comments which movies are you gonna watch on Halloween. So I'm finally done with peeling this pumpkin. Now I'm gonna cut it into pieces so it will be easier to boil it. And yep, we'll just wait until it boils. So while we're waiting for our pumpkin to get ready, we can mix in the first bowl our ingredients. For this we will need sugar, 3 eggs, and our sunflower oil. And it usually takes about 10 minutes for the pumpkin to get ready. In the second bowl we're gonna mix our flour with walnuts, raisin, salt, cinnamon, and baking powder. And by now you should have one bowl with wet ingredients, wet ones, and another one with the dry ones, like flour, raisin, walnuts, and others. So while we're waiting for our pumpkin to get ready, we can heat our oven to 180 degrees. It's the temperature at which you're going to bake your pie. So my pumpkin is ready and now I have to smash it. And now we need to add 2 glasses of smashed pumpkin into our bowl with the wet ingredients. So adding our pumpkin. And mix it all good together. And after you mix it, it should look like this. And now it's time to add our dry ingredients into this and mix it all together. And after we mixed all our ingredients together, we need to apply some sunflower oil on our baking tins. So I'm going to use 2 baking tins, but if you want you can use 1 or tins for the cupcakes. Or if you do not want to use the sunflower oil, you can use the baking paper, but in my case it always messes up the shape of the pie a little bit, so I'm going to go with the oil. We will put the half of the ingredients in the one baking tin and in the other. Just like that. And here. And now put it in the oven for about 40 minutes and just monitor whether it's ready or not. So that's how my pie turned out. I think it looks pretty good. I hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And happy Halloween, everybody!